Hey guys, what's up? It's Iron Gamer here, slash Ultimate Pig, and today we're gonna be playing some Assassins in Roblox. And you might have seen I already been playing, and yeah, I'm becoming like a Roblox slash a little bit of other games YouTubers. And guys, comment down below if what you want me to play. Wow. Dun 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 my own god. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I'll stop doing Mission Impossible music made by Landon. Ow. I'll show you how sick I am at parkour after I score a goal. Or however. Why can't you go in there? You're so mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I messed up. Oh, hello. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, in the shop I'm saving up for Flame Band, or however you say it. I can't read, I'm sorry. I'm a noob. I know. Okay, I don't know what do you do here? Guys, please help me in the comments. Go. Go. Oh, guys, check out my other channel called, well, okay, never mind. It's a channel that's not a success. And just sorry, guys. But just ignore that. I have to take out this man. Where is this man? Oh, crap. Where is... Ah, don't take me. Take him out. Oh! Why is everybody trying to take me? Wait, guys. Hold the phone. Hello? Okay, guys, sorry. We were having technical issues. So, I may be a little rusty on this channel because, sorry. Wait, what's the code? 1. Okay, the code does open the door. There's a knife. Wait, can you like pull this out of the ground? No. Wee. Jump like a butterfly. Butterflies don't jump, but I know one that can. And his name is Ban. Ban, Ban, Ban. Because he's a can he can. I know a butterfly can jump, 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 jump. Because it's a can, Ban, Ban, Ban. I know one can jump, 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 jump. Because I'm a can. Can, can, can. Can, can, can. Can, 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 can. Oh, no. We do it, man! Can you even go up there? Let me try. Go! Okay, no, you can't. Maybe I just stuck at parkour in Roblox, or that just can't. I want to see if this girl can. Wait, she can? Okay. Who do I have to eliminate? Oh, okay. Funky Square. Okay. I don't know. Oh, hello. I think she's actually my assassin. Stop. Stop. No. I rage a lot at this game. Guess who's back? Keyboard? Okay, guess who's back? Your boy Landon. And this guy who killed me with a knife, and this guy that is gonna snap on all of us. Run. Run, run, run. Yo! I'm like a savage Davis. And guys, do you ever get the feeling when you're creeped out over like climbing a mountain in like a game? Like, do you ever Where is this and this in there? No, that's not a player. Vanaga. Here's Johnny. Haha. Take that. Where's Vanaga? Vanaga. Is he my assassin? At least I took out my assassin. Yay. Red Wolf. What? Red Wolf, you there? Oh, I get it, Red Wolf, you there? Oh. I don't know. Okay, guys. It's spelling issues. The paintball arena. Infection. Yes, 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 yes. No, not that. Infection. Infection. Everybody got it. Please say it's infection. Yeah. Eh, 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 eh. A paintball gun. Who's infected? Oh, that poor girl just got killed. Oh, hi. Take a mouth. Ah, I'm going in. You are infected. Hunt the survivors. Oh, okay. Yay, got one. No! Why do you turn me into one of you? Am I infected? Oh! It's like it doesn't show that I'm infected, so I don't know if I'm infected. Hello, my son. We lost! I bet. How much money do I have? I might just get chill. Or I don't know what I wanted. I was gonna save up for. You know what? I'm gonna save up for other nights I want in the future because I actually really like this one. Go VIP today. No. Why are you bullying me? So, I'll show you how pro I am at soccer. Oh, 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 oh. He jukes. He misses. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let's go. He's gonna get it. Maybe he doesn't get it. Your target, Funky Squirtle. Oh, Funky Squirtle. Now I know what it means. Squirtle? I know you're one of my most favorite Pokemon, but... Oh. I guess. The next person I see come over here, they're dead. I think you're the... What? That did not hit me. Yay! I survived the Titanic. Maybe I didn't, but I think I did. So guys, we have to play another game. Oh my gosh, it's already 9 minutes. Let's do this. And guys, do you want to hear a joke? Do you know why I wouldn't climb the highest mountain except... Okay, I'll do a joke. I bet you guys I have the best joke ever. Do you know why do you know why 2 horses are better than 1 horse? Because it's a horse. I don't know what I just did. No. Okay, guys, I raged, and now I'm back. So, what just happened? I don't know what just happened, but that's VIP. What just happened? Like, what's this? Hello? Guys, you know I have addiction. Oh my god, that's so wrong. Addiction to blue. I want the fire. Hello? Did I see the moon? No, that's the clouds. There is no moon. Oh, hello? Sensei. Got eyes on the target. Wrong player! Oh! I think he's on to me. Oh, I got him. Wait! I think we have time for one more, guy. Oh, God. Sorry, guys. So, guys, what this weird thing that happened to me? Like, with this, I have to press escape because, like, if I try to move my cursor over to, it just moves. My mouse is glitched. Is that even a word? I don't know. Glitching. I don't know. The top assassin. I'll take him out, no problem. Let me go here. Oh, come on, it doesn't work. But it's Nanny Club. It's so much fun. Okay. Drive the infection. Protect yourself from the infected. You infected? No. I'm not infected. Ha ha. No, I'm on your team, bro. Why you gotta be so mad? Just a game. Is she? Go. Yeet. Hello? You're on my team. Where is the other? Oh. Oh! Why you got to be so mad, Landon? It's just a game. I wanted to kill you! I do get mad over just a game. So guys, we must be... Okay, I think we would have just enough time for one more. Nanny Plum is so much fun. Get in there. Why do you not listen to your boy Landon? Oh, I don't want to kill Funky Squirtle. She's god at this game. And I suck at this game. Okay, maybe I don't suck at this game. I have to kill this weirdo. No. Is that her? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Same if you're new. And just wanted to let you know, guys, I have the best jokes ever. Why is one horse better than two horses? Because there's more horses. You think that was really the end? Oh gosh, this is the end. Oh my god! I can't believe I'm still doing this, but this might end when I'm talking because I'm